Hello students, welcome back to online class. Students, as we have done our first term syllabus and now we are going to start our second term syllabus. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is the adverb. Students, earlier you have studied about verb. So what do you mean by verb? Yes, doing words or an action words are called verb. Let's write here. Doing words or action words are called verbs. For examples, yes, say some examples which you have done earlier. Yes, playing, running, write, run, etc. These words are called verbs. So, our today's topic is the adverb that is related with verb. So, you should know about verb first. Then only you can understand the topic, the adverb. So, I will give you one example for this. Let's take one example. Aeroplane is flying high. Here students, high word is added to the word flying verb, and it describes the meaning of a verb, and it tells us that how the aeroplane is flying, at which height the aeroplane is flying. Okay, let's learn more about verb. Look at this chart. Adverb. See the definition. Here is a definition of an adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. That modifies the meaning of a verb. That adds something to the meaning of a verb. That describes the meaning of a verb. It is called adverb. It tells us how, when and where. Once again repeat it. How, when and where the actions happen. Let's take some examples. The king replied angrily. Here, angrily word is added to the verb replied to tell that how the king replied. That how the king replied. And angrily word is an adverb. Next example is Rama goes to school daily. Here word daily is added to the verb goes, that tells us that when Rama goes to school. When. First was how, next is when. Next is the clown looked up. Here up word describe the verb looked. It is added to the verb looked. It tells us that how, where the clown looked. Where the clown looked. The clown looked up. Okay. Now students, here are some words, adverbs which describes, which are added to the verb to describe the meaning of a verb. See here, how. First is angrily. Second, slowly, loudly, fast, easily. These all the words describe that how the actions are happen. They are called adverb of manners. Next is where. First is up, here, there, above, outsides. These all the word describes that where the actions happen. Where, the place. They tell us about place. That means they are called adverbs of place. Next is when. Daily, now, monthly, early, today. These all the words describe that when the actions are happen, and they are called adverb of time. Okay students, this was the chapter about adverb. In this chapter we learned three types of adverb, that was adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. The definition, let's recall the definition once again. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. It tells us how, when and where the actions happen. Let's take some examples from the book. All of you take out your book, page number is 22. Exercise 1. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and name the verb with which each is used. Now you have to pick out the adverb first. Then after that you have to tell the verb which is used in that sentence. First is, we must eat our food slowly. In the first sentence you'll find out first adverb. Yes, which is the adverb? Slowly. Slowly word is an adverb, and the verb with which it is used, that is eat. And it tells us that how we must eat our food. We must eat our food slowly. Okay, let's take now second example from the book. It is from the exercise 1. Second is, the woman spoke loudly. Yes, how the woman speak? Loudly. Loudly word is an adverb and it describes the meaning of the verb. That word is spoke. Okay students, rest of the exercise do at home. Try yourself, find out the adverbs and verb also. Okay, thank you.